Baji Bombastic has asked a question that if they earn something haram, is their nikah valid? Now these both, if their nikah is as per the Sharia, the nikah is valid. Your income has nothing to do with the nikah. I'll let you give an example. Suppose I rob water. Robbing water is haram. With that water which I have robbed, I do wudu. And I offer my salah. Is my salah valid? Of course my salah is valid because for the... But robbing is haram. Will my salah be accepted? Yes, salah is accepted. But the act of robbing, I'll get punishment for that. So similarly, if you have earned something haram, then you will get the punishment for that. You will get the sin for that. But that doesn't mean your nikah is haram. As long as you followed the usul and you followed the Sharia while doing the nikah. If all the principles of Sharia you followed while doing the nikah, you have given the mahr and you've seen to it that you have to the right partner, etc., the nikah is valid. It has nothing to do with your income. But of course, if you are doing something haram, you see to it that you stop the haram. You ask Allah for forgiveness. You repent to Allah. Stop it. Don't do it again. Then you will have advice to you would be stop it. First you are alone. Now you have your wife and you earn something haram. Even if you earn something less, no problem. Earning halal, lesser amount is better than earning haram or bigger amount.